So off on my bike night to Weststock and I'm going to be taking my new GoPro clamp, which is not a genuine one. It is this one, which is from Amazon. Comes with a clamp, this bracket. These are the components. So I'm going to go for a ride, try these out, clamp this on there and see how it holds up. So let's see what it's like. Trying two things really. I'm taking the Suzuki Boulevard, which is right there, and I'm going to try out this new bike mount clamp and see how it holds up, which is right here. And I'm also checking out so I've tried some new GoPro settings in the camera, mainly for biking. Obviously I want to check and see what these settings do and how well they work on the bike, so let's see how we get on. So I'm geared up and ready to go, and this bike I'm on today is a Suzuki M109R, which is the American import version of the Suzuki Intruder. Now the GoPro clamp seems to be holding up pretty fine. There is some movement, but it looks pretty good. I'm hoping that the GoPro stabilisation is going to do its job. Just want to shout a massive thumbs up to Teapot1 YouTube channel, because so far these GoPro settings are looking absolutely wicked, way better than the ones I've used before. So just currently going from Retford in Nottinghamshire, and we're heading to Worksop. I'm going to meet my father-in-law and pick up my nephew, and they're going to join us on this ride. So what I love about this kind of clamp is that you can just twist it around while you're riding when it's safe to do so. So yeah, really versatile bit of kit. Just coming into Worksop now, so yeah, a few more minutes and lo and behold, look, you can guarantee there's always a McDonald's when you need one. This is the road I grew up on. The house I live in is just here on the left hand side. So just turned off Shepherd's Avenue and Worksop, and I'm going past North Notts College, which is the college I went to. So the clamps all look so far. This lad up, Ethan. Again, not only do I ride off-road with him, but he also likes riding up back, don't you, Ethan?
Of course I do.
Hey?
Of course I do, I need to get my licence.
Can't ride though yet, no?
No.
Right. Bike's still in one piece. Yeah, hoping this clamp don't fail. I've just got this clamps on.
Oh, yeah.
Right, we better go meet him. Let's go. What are we saying, Ethan? So we finally caught up with Tony, and Tony's out on his new Kawasaki Z900. He keeps trying to tell us that he's retired, but he keeps buying more bikes. Because once you got the bug, you just can't stop. Just coming up to a village called Blythe, then heading over towards Ranskill that way. Now Tony's a real safe, steady rider, so I'm going to overtake him and see if he'll come back past me just to push him a little bit. There he goes. No No messing about. I knew he wouldn't be able to resist that long straight. It was about a mile long. I have no idea what this village is called. Really, I'm going to stop with. We're about here. Just over this bridge. Well, that's a great place to stop. Here we are. Let's stop and bike ride. GoPro stick held up, a few flies hot lens. Racer Tony, how's new bike?
Not fast enough.
Oh, we couldn't keep up with you. Let's go check out some of these bikes.
On the back of you,
Hey?
yeah, that sack of potatoes on the back of you.
Yeah, it's because you need to drop it down again and get it screaming.
There you go.
If you scream it, you'll hear the exhaust.
The voice of experience.
Ethan, who ain't got a licence, is telling us all how we need to ride.
Well, yeah, because I know how to.
To road, and like you said then.
Jed's just telling us how easy it were to pass your test 50 years ago.
Why did you didn't fall off? You passed your test. Because you were only on a block and you had to keep riding around block. Most of the time she couldn't see you.
So that was
So
it.
all you got to do is stay on bike.
It's only nice, got harder. Wander around. Ollie, I think that's like Jez's. That's what you want, Ethan. Jix 1000.
Exactly what I
You reckon it'd be too slow for you though, wouldn't it?
Yeah, not fast enough.
What's Philip on?
On his boring cruiser.
You'll hear that.
Good.
No wrong with a cruiser.
Yeah,
Gets you where you want to go in one piece.
it's all about
Did it?
sports bike.
Oh. Look at these. Honda. That's right, Ethan. One of these, look.
Yeah, and it non-stop.
I had that.
It non-stop put out on road junctions.
It didn't. It was all right. It was a good bike. I'll tell you what, they're a good bike. They are.
Trucks and that. What Philip?
Yeah.
It's lovely or not.
Suzuki. They're gone. Tony's down there. It's your round. Down there at shed. What? Let me guess. You've got no money. He's in, look. He's found a spot. Look at that. Ethan, is that same as Tony's? They're nice, aren't they? MT09.
That's what I should get. As a first one.
Which one you buying, Tony? You buy a different bike every week now.
I'm thinking of buying one of these.
Speed triple.
Hey, look what's there, Ethan, that quad.
I know, I've seen it.
Oh,
Is that one Ethan sold? Speed triple. Let's go and get Tony on camera.
Why?
Local mechanic, innit?
Local mechanics followed us here again, just in case we break down. He's everywhere. Didn't bring us a water though. MT10. What they call them?
Glamping.
Glamping. Just look like sheds to me.
Yeah.
But you can come and have your holiday here and be that close to the pub. Drop your butt plug, love.
Yeah, that's yours.
That's definitely yours.
You use that.
You can drop
Every night.
down there.
It's only got on the back.
It's only Let's have a walk up the waterfront inn.
Do not record going in.
Let's go and check out these boats. I could get my paddleboard on here.
Wow.
Huh.
Could live the dream on here, couldn't you?
Yeah, nice here.
Are we getting 140 on that, Tony?
You've got no chance.
I never looked at what
We need to be breaking some speed records.
Obsessed with going fast.
You know, mate. We've got to do that.
That's it. Bike night over.
Till next time.
Till next time. Just going to try this clamp a different way on way home and see if it doesn't fall off. A bit more secure.
It's nice, isn't it?
Need to go.
Riding.
Yeah, update. Won't be riding home with my GoPro because my brackets just broke. So I just wanted to quickly finish off this bit of a review on this clamp mount. So that's worked absolutely fine. It's not a genuine part, and ironically a friend of mine kept saying only buy GoPro genuine parts, and the bit that failed on me tonight was actually, if you can see it, this part, this bracket, and this is a genuine GoPro part, so I couldn't film coming home because that broke. But the clamp itself kind of rock solid. It did at certain speeds, because this flexible part of it's around 8 inches tall, at certain speeds it sticks up quite a bit, so it did blow back slightly and I would have to adjust it. But all in all, I'm really happy with it. I'm going to give it another go on the weekend, try it again and see what it's like. But so far so good. Yeah, so going to have a quick look now through what footage I've got from tonight and hopefully upload that. So see you soon.